I get this question a lot. Like every time I meet a student and they have a question regarding tax, this is the first thing they ask me. More than that, last year I paid $20,000 to my university. So I should be getting $20,000 check from the CIA, right? I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but no, this is not how it works. There is a massive misconception among students, especially international students, that tuition credit means the government reimburses your tuition fee. They don't. The government is not paying for your degree, you're the one who is paying for it. However, if you use those credits correctly, they are worth thousands of dollars in tax saving, not just in the way you are thinking right now. And if you do it wrong, you're literally leaving the free money on the table that you could use for your groceries or rent. Hello, my name is Madan and I'm an IT student just like you, but I also run Nepcouver Tax. Today, I'm going to show you the math behind the T2202 form and the secret transfer trick that most students miss.
First, let's clear up the myth. When you pay tuition, you don't get a refund. You get a non-refundable tax credit. Think of it like a discount coupon. The federal government gives you a credit worth 15% of your eligible tuition fees. So if you paid $10,000 in fees, the government gives you a credit of $1,500. Here is the catch. The credit is non-refundable. That means it can reduce the tax you owe to zero, but it cannot go below zero. If you worked a part-time job and only made $14,000 this year, you likely owe $0 in income tax anyway. Since you owe zero, the $1,500 credit has nothing to do. It sits there. You get $0 cash back from it right now. So, is that money lost? No. You have two choices. Choice 1, carry forward. The CRA automatically puts that unused credit into a vault for you. It stays there forever. When you graduate and land that high-paying IT or engineering job, the vault opens. It lowers your taxes then. This is great for your future self. Choice 2, the transfer. This is what smart families do. You are allowed to transfer up to $5,000 of your tuition amount to a parent, grandparent, or spouse. If your dad is working full-time and paying a lot of tax, you can give him your credit. He gets the tax refund immediately. So, how do you actually do this? You need your T2202 form. You can download this from your university student portal. Look at box 26 for the total eligible fees. When we file your taxes at Nepcouver Tax, we enter this number. The software will ask, do you want to transfer the unused amount? If we click yes, we need your parents' info. If we click no, it automatically carries forward to next year.
The most important thing to remember is this. You must file your tax to get the credits. Even if you had $0 income, even if you didn't work a single day in 2025, you must file a tax return to register your tuition tax credits with the CRA. If you don't file, those credits don't exist at all, and you lose that banking for the future. It can be confusing deciding whether to transfer the credits to your parents or your spouse or keep it to yourself. It depends on how much money your parents make or your spouse make and how much you expect to make when you graduate. At Nepcouver Tax, we run the math on both scenarios to see which one puts more money on your bank account. You can click the link on the description or reach us on WhatsApp. The number is on the screen. Give us a text and we'll reach out to you and help you with your taxes. Happy tax filing season to all of you.